Hi, I'm Matthew Ashley and welcome to Blackwell Global's Daily Market Update. Starting with the cable, and the pair had a volatile day of trading, surging above the 1 spot 30 handle before reversing and actually closing the session lower at 1 spot 29.41. The day's performance reflected both the upticks in the UK core retail sales of 4.5% year on year and 2% month on month, as well as a subsequent US fully fed manufacturing index of 38.8. As for the day to come, the main news to keep an eye on will be the CBI industrial order expectations figure, which is forecasted to come in at 4. Turn to the Aussie Dollar now, and the pair took a surprising plunge back to the 0.7417 mark, despite some strong employment figures. In particular, the Australian unemployment rate dropped to 5.7%, which had many hopeful for another day of gains for the pair. Unfortunately, as was across the market, the US data hammered the pair later in the session, ultimately erasing gains. Looking ahead, monitor the remarks from the Fed's bullard, as this could impact all dollar crosses. Finally, the Kiwi dollar had a rough day and ended up sinking all the way back to the 0.6898 mark. Unlike many other pairs, the New Zealand dollar had little in the way of fundamental support to mitigate the effects of the robust US data, and as a result it was effectively in freefall throughout the day. Nevertheless, an uptick of 3.5% in the visitor arrivals data did at least help to stem losses as the day ended. Moving ahead, the NZ credit card spending data should be worth keeping in mind for the coming session. Well, that's all I have for you today, so Matthew Ashley with Blackwell Global's Daily Market Update.